Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your phone and the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to your watch. And to do it, we need to do a couple of things. First, we need to find the Garmin Connect icon, and once you find it, you need to press and hold on it. Once the menu pops out, tap on App Info, and here find the option called Permissions. And for the notifications to work, we need to allow a couple of permissions. We need to allow the call logs, phone, SMS, and I believe contacts. And that's about all. And to allow them, we need to tap on call logs, for example, tap on allow, and go back, and it will appear on the allowed list. And do the same for the rest. So contacts, SMS, and the phone. Okay, and now we can close this page. Next thing we need to do is to open the settings on our phone and find the notification access or device and app notifications. It depends on the version of Android you're using. It's gonna be called either notification access or device and app notifications. On the newer versions of Android, it's basically called device and app notifications, and on the older ones, it's called notification access. You can search for it by tapping on search and typing it in, but usually it's in the apps menu, then special app access, and here I have the device and app notifications, but you could see the special app, not special app, but notification access, my bad. So once you find one of the options, tap on it, and you should see basically the list of applications, and some of them are allowed and some of them are not allowed. And what we need to do is to find the Connect application, tap on it, and as you can see, we need to enable the allow notification access option. So tap on the switch next to it, tap on allow, and once you allow notification access, it will change from denied to allowed, and once it is allowed, we can close the settings. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application. Once you open it, you should see the home page. Now tap on the more icon, find the Garmin devices, tap on it. Here select your Fenix 8 from the list of devices. Now scroll down and find the notifications and alerts and tap on it. And here select smart notifications. And by default, the status should be on, but if it's turned off, enable the notifications, and then you will see a couple of options like calls, texts, apps, privacy, timeout, and signature. Calls, texts, and apps is basically the types of notifications you can receive from your phone, and you can tap on each of them and basically adjust the settings for them, and we can turn them off or on. We can turn on and off the sound and vibration. And you can do it for all of the three types of the notifications. So I'm gonna customize it to my liking, like this, and the apps like this. Okay. Besides the types of notifications, we have also privacy mesh option, and this allows you to select off, press start, and gesture. And basically, if this option is enabled, you will need to either press the start button or just perform the wrist gesture to reveal the content of the notification. Of course, if it's selected off, the option is turned off. And the timeout option is basically how long the notification stays on the screen after you receive it. And you have 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes. And the signature option, I'm not sure what it does, but you can enable it. Okay, and once you're done, you can go back to the main page of your watch, like this one, the settings page, and tap on this icon to sync the watch with a phone, to apply the changes basically. And once it's done, we can test it out. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And we got the notification on our phone. And as you can see, we also got it on our watch. And if you miss the notifications on your watch, you can always, I believe, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. And you can see your notifications here. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.